Now our tongue is the fourth sense of taste. Okay, so our tongue help us to taste things. Now बच्चे, how you are taste things with the help of tongue. The surface of the tongue has many taste buds. बच्चे, on our tongue ना there is a different taste buds are present. Okay, with the help of that buds ना we know about the taste of the food, if it is a sweet, if it is a bitter, okay, if it is a salty. So with the help of taste bud we are taste that things. They tell us about different tastes. Four kind of taste bud are sweet, sour, salty and bitter. So there is a four type of it's buds that are present in on our tongue, that is sweet, sour, salty and bitter. So these are found in different area of the tongue. So on the different areas you have to found these taste buds. See here, with the help of our tongue we are taste it's a bitter thing or a sweet thing or a salty thing. So different taste we have to taste with the help of our tongue. Now working of tongue, food enter the mouth and touch the taste buds. So firstly we read now that with the help of buds we taste the food. So firstly food enters in the mouth and touch our taste buds. These taste buds send message to the brain. So here also present nerves inside our tongue. So that nerves giving message to our brain, and that brain read the message and help us to the taste that thing. Now how we can care of the tongue. Clean your tongue every morning with a tongue cleaner. बच्चे, every morning you have to clean your tongue with the help of a tongue cleaner. Okay, so don't eat very hot things because they can burn your taste buds. बच्चे, if you are eating a very hot thing ना, your taste buds get burnt, then you not unable to take any taste for a small time, not a long time, for a very short time you can't taste that thing because your taste bud at that time damaged. Skin sense of our touch or feel. With the help of skin we have to touch and we have to feel. Our skin help us to find out what a thing is like. बच्चे, with the help of skin ना we are feel different touches. It help us to feel, to know if a thing is hot, cold, soft, hard, rough or smooth. So with the help of skin we are feel these different kind of touches, like hot, cold, soft, hard, rough or smooth. So we need to touch it. बच्चे, with the help of our skin we have to feel different touches. Now working of the skin, what the skin touches an object. So our skin help us to touch the object. So the nerve of the skin send message to the brain. Same here also, in our skin also different nerves are present. So with the help of that giving message to our brain, and brain reads the message and help us to feel the object. Now how we can care of our skin. We should take a bath with soap and water to remove dirt and sweat from our skin. बच्चे, you have to take bath daily, okay, and with soap also. Why we are using this? To remove dirt and sweat from your skin. We should always wear clean clothes. You have to using a clean cloth for wearing. Okay, if you are dirty cloth wear, then your skin infected. So here you have to see different touches. It's a hot, it's a cold, and this very soft touch. So this is the different kind of touches na. So the skin on our eyelid is the thinnest. बच्चे which skin present on our eyes na, that is very soft part of the skin, and which are present our bottom of the feet, that is very hardest part of the skin, not a part of body, it's a part of skin, very hardest part of the skin present on our feet. So kinds of touch. Now बच्चे different kind of touch is there. We all like the touch that show love. बच्चे we like that touch which showing love to us. When our parents touch us gently, if our parents touch us very lightly touching na, then we feel a sensation that feeling good, okay, and of warmth. It's a kind touch. If our parents gently we touch na, so we feel very good. So we feel encouraged when we are patted on our back. बच्चे if anyone giving a quick touch on your back, patted it means quick touch, and encourage means if someone giving a support to us, then we feel good. But the touch of all people is not the same. But there is a different kind of touches na. All touches are not same. So we feel uncomfortable when some people touch us in an unfriendly way. If someone touches na very hardly to us, so we not feel a good, we feel a very bad. Touch that makes us uncomfortable is usually a bad touch. So which is very hardly we touch na someone, so that touch we not like, and we are called that touch is a bad touch. We should tell our parents or teachers if someone touch makes us uncomfortable. But you see, whenever any person you touching a very hardly na, then you have to told your parents, you have to told your tell your teacher also. So which touch you make uncomfortable, you have to tell. Now here reading through touching and feeling. But say this method using for that people who are not able to seeing things. So blind people cannot read using normal books. But say blind people's not directly read the books normally as usual. So they use their sense of touch. So if they have not eyes, it means they not able to seeing things, then they are using their different sense organs for reading things. So this skin, they are using their sense of touch to read and write. So they use a special system called braille. So this is the braille system. With the help of braille system, they are read and write the books and read the books also. So the braille script has a row of raised dot made on a thick paper. Bache, it's braille method is there is a script that have a row on which different dotted is there, dot having. So with the help of that dots they are read or write. So it use a coding system on that braille script that having a different codes, and with the help of that codes they are they help read and write. 6 raised dots are arranged in a particular sequence to represent a letter or an alphabet. Bache, on braille system there is a 6 dots having that are arranged in a sequence. It means in a particular manner that represents a letter or a alphabet, okay, with the help of 6 dots. So it can be read by running fingers over these dots. See here bache, they are running their fingers on a braille system, and with the help of braille system they are read and write. So I hope you understood the chapter very well. Thank you.